Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick, and we back again for another video and another phone. This time around we have Galaxy A23 5G from Boost Mobile. Now if you watch my channel, I have already made a full review for the Galaxy A23 5G. That was the Metro by T-Mobile variant, and there is no difference between this phone and the other phone. The whole reason why I'm making this video, because I wanna give you some information about the deal specials what Boost Mobile offers and how I ended up buying this phone for $9. Make sure to subscribe to Variety Stick if you haven't, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now, if you didn't watch my full review for the Samsung Galaxy A23, I will leave the link in the description box. Feel free after you watch this video to watch this video in full. That will give you more information about the A23 5G. And also I will try to provide you some information and my impression about the phone as we go in the unboxing. Now the most important thing, how much I spend on this phone. $9. I was browsing Facebook and the ad popped, and then I clicked on, and they were telling me you can start a new number or port your number. You pay $9.99 for the phone and $40 for the unlimited. Something you guys need to consider if you want to buy the Galaxy A23, which is, I believe this is a great phone and worth as a retail price around $250. So what a bargain deal from Boost Mobile. If you guys interested, I believe they still offer the deal till right now. If you don't want to port your number, you want to just start a new number, that will be the same thing. I paid $40 for the unlimited plan, $9.99 plus tax. All together came to $51.59. Now let's go ahead and get straight to the unboxing. Now, because I ordered this online, they sent me a SIM card and they said if you requested a new number, your SIM card is ready to active. So I believe the SIM card is already active. All I have to do just insert the SIM card in the phone because I requested a new number. So let me go ahead and crack the seal open. Samsung Galaxy A23, by the way, it has very beautiful screen with high refresh rate, full high definition for the resolution. So you're talking about 1080p, amount of PPI 420:9 for the ratio for the screen. The phone, it won't come with a charger. So basically we have the quick start guide, and we have the USB cable, SIM ejector tool, and the phone itself. The phone has 4 cameras on the back, and the phone looks beautiful. This phone looks like the high-end phone from Samsung, like the S22, the S21, but the phone made out of plastic. It doesn't have wireless charging, so it doesn't have the same features as the other phone. Here we go. So this is the phone. The box, as I said, we have nothing else in the box. We just have the phone over here. The phone feels great in the hands. The fingerprint will be located on the side, and we have the USB-C, we have headphone jack, speaker from the bottom. Also, this phone comes with Android 12 out of the box. Now for the processor, we have Snapdragon 695, and we have 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB for internal storage. For the camera, we have 4 camera with flash. Main camera is 50 megapixels, so we have ultra wide, we have wide, and we have depth sensor. Front facing camera 8 megapixel, battery 5000. The phone supports quick charge up to 25 watt, but as I said, the charger doesn't come with the phone, only the attached cable. If you guys want to see more details about the Galaxy A53, check the link in the description box, and let me know what do you guys think about this deal that Boost Mobile offer. Only $9.99 for the Galaxy A53. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, you guys make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this in the future. Give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.